For us, Indonesia is a very important market recently because it has been growing a lot, and we see that people are more interested in new technologies recently.
Hello,
Hi.
good afternoon. My name is Radit from Tour and Travel World, and I'm here to cover your product. You can tell us what's your name and what is your product.
Sure. Hello, everyone. Thank you for your attention. So, my name is Miss Giorgia Bernoni, and I am the area manager for Asia in Roboqbo, which is our company. Our company is based in North Italy, Bologna. And we focus only on one product, which is a universal processing system, which means our machine can make different kind of processes all in one machine, all at the same time. So this means that we have a core, which is a blade, and we can also heat up, cool down, work under vacuum and pressure. And so we combine these three technologies, and we can cover different kind of sectors going from gastronomy, so restaurants, hotels, but also industrial factories for sauces, soups, vegetable creams, and for example, any kind of hot and cold sauces, and also all the bakery and pastry side, so fillings, fruit products, fruit beverage, and also all nuts, paste and beverage, so vegan beverages, and also custard creams and chocolate. So we cover a very wide range of sectors.
Okay, you are from North Italy, Bologna. So what makes you interested to come to Indonesia to sell your product and show to the visitors?
For us, Indonesia is a very important market recently because it has been growing a lot, and we see that people are more interested in new technologies recently. So we want to bring this new way of cooking and processing the food and the beverage in a market which is growing and expanding.
So in Food and Hospitality Indonesia, in this expo this year, so what's the visitor comment about your product?
So they're all very impressed by the time, because of course our machine with this technology can save a lot of time to people that work in the kitchens, that work in the pastry shops, because we can really reduce a lot all these kind of processes. We can standardize, so they are very happy that they can save time. And so, as we know, time is money. So for them, it's a very interesting technology.
So your machine is more efficient for save time, right?
Save time and enhance the quality of the products.
So our last question about what's a message you want to share to our audience about your product and this expo?
So I really hope that even if now we are not very well known in the market, we hope that at some point Roboqbo can become a name that can teach the new kitchen of the future to be like time saving, energy saving, and also like focus on very high quality products that for us is the focus.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Success always.
Thank you everyone, and hope to see you soon again in Indonesia. Thank you.